Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove an image background in Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, the like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, let's open the design first. Okay, now just click on the photo, which background you want to remove, like this. On bottom, as you can see, this option BG remover. By the way, this is only for pro users. Just click on it, BG remover. As you can see, background is removed. So this feature is only available to pro user. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can't use this feature. You have to use third-party apps. So that's it for the video. That's how you can remove a background in Canva mobile app. Thanks for watching.